Bayfield, a postcard-perfect hamlet on Lake Huron, where visitors wander the boutique-lined streets, latte in hand, soaking up small-town charm. Dave? He's taking the grand tour from behind a windshield. Why walk when you can save every precious calorie for the real reason you came, deep-fried something? No cheery waves greet him, but that's fine. He's not here to make friends. He's here to make questionable menu choices. After all, chit-chat burns energy, and Dave's conserving it for the Woodland Drive In, a humble friar shack in a town where nothing else is humble. So watch as our hero rolls past the quaint facades, stomach growling louder than the engine, 0 steps logged, and all focus fixed on one goal. Proving that in Bayfield, you can skip the stroll and head straight for the grease. Welcome to the Woodland Drive In, 17 Mill Road in Bayfield. Why does this place have a cemetery name?
Order number 37.
I'll be right with you.
No problem. Hi. Can I get a Woodland burger?
Sure, do you want it for here or to go?
To go, please.
Everything on Woodland?
Well, however you'd get it, whatever your favorite thing is, and I'm good with that.
And just like in 74,
That's it.
we're fading out before the prog rock police arrive.
Hi. 45. Yes.
Any ketchup, salt, vinegar?
Just some salt, please, would be great. Maybe 2 forks, if that's possible. Awesome. Thank you. All right, welcome back, Big Dave. This is Woodland Drive In. I really love these little drive-in places. We've been doing them a lot lately. There's more to come, so I hope you're enjoying them as much as me. This is Woodland. This one's in Bayfield. We always start with the, beverage first. Strawberry milkshake. It seems to be a pattern what I'm getting. I don't know. I can change it up. You let me know if you want me to stop getting the same stuff and get different stuff. Anyways, let's try this out. Could be thicker. Might be a little better value than that one we had in Brucefield. It seemed really small, but maybe not. It's fine. The flavor's good. I think it's a little thin. All right, so here we are. This is the poutine. Let's have a look at it. It doesn't look bad. The price of that was $8. I think that's about the price of the one in Brucefield, only this one is half the size. I'm not impressed with the size. I got to tell you, I'm not at $8, but that's just me. The fries are not fresh cut. Those are coated fries. We're adding all that salt with these coated fries to the already salty gravy. It just makes it too salty. I know, it's hard to be too salty in fries, but this might be. Let's take a bite again. Curds are melty. The gravy's not bad. I just think, you're a seasonal business out here. And you really, your business is French fries. I'm not impressed. All right, now, I would go here all day long over like a McDonald's or a Chuck's Roadhouse or any of that kind of crap. I am a little disappointed in the fries. Let's have a look at this burger. This is the Woodland burger, so it's their burger with cheese and ham. So the last place he went to had pea meal bacon. This one has ham, still no bacon. Let's have a look at this thing. Yeah, we better get a couple pictures of this as well. All right, so it doesn't look terrible. The bun is definitely toasted. The ham it's right here. See it? It's a big slice of, I call it round ham. Americans might call it, Canadian bacon, but that would be absolutely wrong. This is ham. There's a difference between Canadian bacon and ham. Just saying, don't talk about what you don't know about. Let's take a bite. That burger is a frozen burger. I think it should be handmade, but I guess it goes with their frozen French fries. I'd say they're kind of mailing it in, but that doesn't mean I wouldn't go here. I'd still go here before McDonald's or, that Chuck's Roadhouse or anything like that, personally. But for me, for that being a $26 range, the poutine being half the size of the Brucefield one, I would probably kick it up the road. It's only 4 or 5 miles to Brucefield, pay $1 less, and get something that I feel is a lot better, in my opinion. But hey, what do you think? Have you been to the Woodland Drive In here in Bayfield? Let us know. Comment, hit the like button, subscribe, share. Look for us next time. I'm Big Dave, and this is Dave Eats. Big Dave!